Brai manie na ene me pese me no di nkomo bi wo honum kakra. Na wonim say WhatsApp a we use no. Sa WhatsApp me ka WhatsApp business WhatsApp normal WhatsApp app no. Wonim say ubetumi ayusu number of accounts and our phone numbers e wo so. Wa bra unhia app bia te set it na just o ko download do WhatsApp ni ade and say bia app kra enfiri WhatsApp na odi aye na wa rescue data ni ade no enemre mu no ente saa enye saa na tie enemre mu de ubetumi e de WhatsApp original WhatsApp na from Facebook WhatsApp app na de original no omuno unu no ubetumi de use 2 or 3 or 4 even WhatsApp accounts na mpesa me kire o se de obisi aye no na hunu se de siti e bia wonim WhatsApp no wa bi nya nka wo more than 3 or 4 into what download normal WhatsApp no we no WhatsApp business but still what extra numbers a unya nka no so be WhatsApp but essence of phone ye ba ko penalty sometimes just okuto additional phone na wasen aye e wo so which make phone be kita no style bi me was on WhatsApp na do duma so I'm going to show you how you can use that same WhatsApp app no original WhatsApp app no to do double accounts now yenko so we be WhatsApp no ubi WhatsApp na say the who say maybe media screen no so no. Then you go to your settings. In your settings, scroll down to account. On account, you do account where also say switch accounts. Now, boss one, maybe they say I added 2 accounts. It won't say Emmanuel numbers now different numbers, 2 accounts in now. Now, let me switch between these 2 WhatsApp accounts. But so they know when you add 2 accounts. Oben say because say add account ho. Until at least for now, let me use 2 phone numbers on that same phone, and as WhatsApp app no so. Original one into boss one. Now this one will switch to 1 account. The same way, me come settings back beam. Me come settings back beam ma. Make me ask switching. So you can switch between the 2 accounts back and forth. Until my baha my switching. The moment I switch, I'm now in the 050 account. Okay, this is the 050 account. I switch it to this account. Now say me baha. Na me san call account will be man. Na me ba ha on Brahima. Now I switch to that particular account. Until now I'm also in that particular account. Different accounts, different chats, different messages, everything different. Enye pe, everything is different. And so that's how I ubetimi I switch between 2 WhatsApp accounts on your phone at the same time. This is very simple. Say una add ya oba ha beka add account misrew. Enti say person use 2 SIM on the same WhatsApp platform and as phone back wa bra person be download bia WhatsApp business and as bia WhatsApp business but still na unya extra WhatsApp plan back one kan wa na yemiensa ubetimi install 2 e original WhatsApp no so when so osia bibi so osia bibi dia higher gifted solution message say like video we share na follow yen na ye de niam pepe bebro me da say